Some of these trees in here are huge. And you can tell they're very, very old. A lot of them have been knocked down. Some of them are still here. Oh, I got a bug fall. Like this one. Look at this. Wow. Wow, look at this tree. It must be 400 years old.